We're getting first images now of the bombers after their arrest from Bengal. The two Bengaluru blast accused have been arrested earlier in Bengal. They are shortly to be produced in a court in Kolkata. Those images on your screens right now. First exclusive here on India Today. The images of the two terror suspects that have been picked up by the NIA and the West Bengal police in a joint operation from Kathi in East Mednipur district of Bengal, now being brought in shortly to the Bakshal court in Kolkata. Those images first on your screens here on India Today. The two terror suspects who've been nabbed by the NIA. They are accused of carrying out the ID blast at the Rameshwaram Cafe in Bengaluru. Rajesh Shah, my colleague, is joining us live from outside the court premises. Rajesh, what more can you tell us about these two bombers? When will they be produced in court in Kolkata?
Well, Palomir, at this moment I'm present at in NI Special Court in Kolkata, which is Bakshal Court, and both of the arrested accused are being brought at this court, and they are on the way right now. Within it is expected that within 10 to 15 minutes they will be here. They will be reaching here shortly, because NIA has brought both of the arrested accused in Kolkata half an hour back, and medical examination has been done at a government hospital at Bidhan Nagar by NIA, and after conducting the medical examination, both of the arrested accused are being brought at this NIA Special Court in Kolkata, and as per NIA, transit remand will be demanded on behalf of NIA, and after getting transit remand, both of the arrested accused will be brought to Bangalore for further investigation. Paul me.
Right, so they will be taken to Bengaluru for further investigation. As far as the two accused are concerned, how soon will they be brought to court? Rajesh, you said that their medical examination has already taken place. So in how long are we expecting them to be brought to court by the NIA team?
They're already on the way, and medical examination has been done by NIA half an hour back at a government hospital located at Bidhan Nagar in Kolkata, and they are right now on the way to Bakshal Court. We are at present near the Bakshal Court, which is NIA Special Court in Kolkata, and it's expected they will be here within 10 to 15 minutes. It's expected, because our sources are saying that they are on the way and will be reaching soon at this court, and after coming here, both of the arrested accused will be produced before this special court, NIA Special Court in Kolkata, and NIA sources are saying that they are ready for taking transit for both of the arrested accused, because NIA want to take both of them to Bangalore for further investigation. So transit remand application for transit remand will be submitted before the NIA Special Judge in Kolkata, and after granted the transit remand, NIA will take both of them to Bangalore for further investigation. Paul me.
Right, Rajesh, because you've been tracking this case since, of course, it came to light that the absconding accused have been traced to Bengal and arrested. Tell us, how did that operation take place? The NIA, of course, sought the help of central agencies and West Bengal police in order to pick up the two terror suspects, Musawwir Shazib and Mathin Taha.
Well, NIA was investigating that case since 3rd of March regarding this case, and both of these arrested accused were under scanner of National Investigative Agency since then, since the beginning of this investigation. And a few days back, NIA got to know that both of these arrested accused reached West Bengal via Assam, and finally, on secret input, based on a secret input from NIA, got from Central IB that they might be in East Mednipur district, and finally on last night East Mednipur district police got an information from Central IB and National Investigative Agency that both of the arrested accused are lodging at a hotel which is located at Digha in East Mednipur district. And then finally, after getting the inputs, the secret input from Central IB and National Investigative Agency, finally the district police of East Mednipur district conducted a special operation at the at the hotel which is located at Digha, and nabbed both of the arrested accused red-handed from that hotel which is located at Digha. And after nabbing both of the arrested accused, they were taken to local police station by local district police, and finally NIA team and Central IB team reached at this police station and they handed over the accused to Central Probe Agency, and finally they are bringing both of the arrested accused in Kolkata for production for court production in Kolkata. Follow me.
Right. Again, Rajesh, just for the benefit of viewers who don't understand the layout as far as, Bengal is concerned, how far is Digha from Kolkata, or where they stayed initially when they first arrived in Bengal, if you can just give us a sense of from where they went around in terms of, hiding across the state of Bengal till, of course, they were nabbed by the NIA.
See, as per the sources information, we are coming to know that these two arrested accused first entered in West Bengal at around 10th of March in Kolkata. Then they moved to East Medinipur district, and near about first week of this month, and then they checked in at this hotel which is located at Digha on 10th of April. And finally last night the National Investigative Agency and Central IB got the secret input that they are lodging at a hotel at Digha, and they checked in at this Digha hotel on last 10th of April, and they are staying at this hotel, hiding themselves by hiding their original identity. We are getting to know that they already created fake driving license, fake Aadhaar card for staying at this hotel, and they were staying at this hotel located at Digha since last 10th of April. And finally, after getting all those information, the Central IB got active, and they provided this information to the local district police and assistance was sought from the local district police, and local district police sources are also claiming they have provided full assistance, full manpower and forces to Central IB and NIA, and also NIA sources have also admitted that strong help were given from local district police to NIA to nab all those two arrested accused.
Right. Rajesh Shah there, of course, outside that Kolkata court where the NIA will be bringing, in fact, the two terror suspects in a short while from now, Taha and as well as Shazib.